Today I'll be showing you how to adjust data validation features in Google Sheets. Data validation helps us to validate data types in a cell based on the criterion set by the user. It accepts inputs, displays warnings, and rejects inputs. Now, let's make some adjustments in our data validation feature. As you can see on the table here, let's apply a criteria for the name cells. You select the range of cells you want to apply a criteria for. Then you click on the Data tab and you select Data Validation. In the pop-up dialog box, you click on Add Row. Then in the criteria section, click on the arrow beside it and you select Custom Formula. Now we impute a formula here to allow only text in the name cells. You open your bracket and you select the first colon rows or the first colon number alone, that is F3. Then you close your bracket. You click on Advanced option to show warnings if the data is invalid or to reject the inputs. So you click on Reject the inputs here, and in the Appearance section you click this box to show help text for a selected area. Then you select and clear out this and you input your answer. Once that is done, you select Done. Now if you type a text here and press enter, it will accept it. But if you type an invalid text or a number here, it will reject the inputs and display your message. Let's create a criteria for a list of items in the numbers cell. Select the cell range, still the same way, data and data validation. You select Add Row, then you select the drop down option and you select the option you want for your drop down list. You can add as many options as you want. You can also click on the Advanced option and you select to show a warning if the data entered is invalid. You can choose how the warning should display. It could be a chip, an arrow, or a plain text. You can also select the help or the message to show. Once you're done, you select Done. Now let's try imputing a number here. Now you can see that it is showing invalid, that the input must be an item of the specified list. So that is how you use your data validation features. You can create a criteria for dates, numbers, checkboxes, and so on using your data validation. So that's all for the video, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Ensure to give it a try and please like and subscribe for more. Bye guys, see you in the next video.